Benedetto Castelli, born in 1578 in Brescia, Italy, was a pioneering mathematician who revolutionized the study of fluid dynamics. As a Benedictine monk and student of Galileo Galilei, Castelli became a prominent figure in the scientific world of the 17th century. His groundbreaking work, Della misura dell'acque correnti, on the measure of running water, published in 1628, is considered the foundation of modern hydraulics and hydrodynamics. Castelli discovered the law of continuity, which states that the cross-sectional area of a river multiplied by the water velocity remains constant. He also determined that the height difference between 2 points is the primary factor affecting water flow, challenging long-held beliefs among engineers. As a professor at the University of Pisa and later at La Sapienza in Rome, Castelli mentored notable scientists like Evangelista Torricelli and Bonaventura Cavalieri. His contributions to hydraulics and fluid dynamics laid the groundwork for future advancements in wave research, establishing him as the founder of the science of running water, much as Archimedes had been for hydrostatics. Waves are created when wind transfers energy from the air to the water's surface. As wind blows across the ocean, it generates friction that pulls at the water, forming ripples. If the wind continues, these ripples grow into larger waves, influenced by wind speed, duration, and fetch, the distance the wind travels uninterrupted. Stronger winds over longer distances create bigger waves, effectively transferring energy into the water. Especially in the initial stages of growth, a strong interaction between wind and waves is found, resulting in a substantial increase of the stress in the surface layer. In practice, however, the wave stress is always in the wind direction, because most of the wave stress is carried by the high-frequency waves, which respond rather quickly to a change in wind direction. As waves approach the shore, they undergo a fascinating transformation known as shoaling. This process occurs when waves enter shallower water, causing them to refract or change direction. As they move into these shallower depths, waves increase in height while their wavelength decreases. This phenomenon is largely influenced by bottom friction, which is the resistance that waves encounter as they interact with the seabed. Bottom friction affects wave energy, causing it to dissipate and altering the behavior of the waves. Understanding shoaling is crucial. because it highlights how wave energy changes with depth and how waves can become more powerful and steep as they near the shore. High-frequency shoaling waves are transmitted shoreward, and they do not return to the sea. These waves are totally absorbed in the near-shore zone. When waves approach shallower water, they experience wave refraction, which causes them to bend and change direction due to varying water depths. This bending can greatly affect coastal regions by influencing sediment transport and navigation. Conversely, diffraction occurs when waves encounter structures like jetties or breakwaters. As these waves spread around the obstacles, they generate complex diffraction patterns that reveal how they interact with their environment. These patterns can modify wave energy distribution, leading to alterations in shoreline dynamics and marine ecosystems. Grasping the principles of both refraction and diffraction is vital for efficient coastal management, marine navigation safety, and conservation efforts. Refraction patterns, specifics on orientation of the wave, crest, wave size, and location of the contour lines that define the underwater topography must be understood. When we look at wave breakers, there are three main types: spilling, plunging, and surging breakers. Each type is defined by how steep the waves are and the slope of the beach. Spilling breakers happen on gentle slopes and break gradually as water spills down the front of the wave. This gentle energy release makes them great for activities like swimming and surfing. On steeper beaches, we have plunging breakers, which break suddenly and create a dramatic curl as they collapse. These powerful waves can be exciting for surfers, but may be risky for swimmers due to their strength. Finally, surging breakers don't break until they reach the shore. They have a steep face that keeps their energy until they hit the beach. This type can create strong currents and is often found along steep coastlines. Knowing about these wave breakers is important for beach safety, surfing conditions, and managing coastal areas. It is known that due to the fluctuating water particle motion of the waves, there is a momentum flux component. If the waves have a direction component parallel to shore, a longshore current can be generated due to changes in this longshore momentum flux component of the shoaling waves. When waves hit the shore at an angle, they create longshore currents that flow parallel to the coastline. This happens because the energy from the waves isn't spread evenly along the shore. Instead, it pushes water and sand sideways along the beach. These longshore currents are important for sediment transport, which refers to the movement of sand and other materials along the coast. This process shapes the beach and can lead to different coastal features, such as sandbars and inlets. However, while longshore currents can help move sediment in useful ways, they also contribute to coastal erosion. As sediment is carried away from one area, it can cause a loss of beach material, making coastlines more vulnerable to wave action. Over time, this erosion can significantly change landscapes, affecting both natural habitats and human activities near the shore. Understanding longshore currents is crucial for managing our coasts and reducing the impact of erosion on our beaches. By monitoring these currents and their effects on sediment movement, we can better protect our coastlines and keep their ecosystems healthy. This knowledge helps us maintain balance in coastal environments while ensuring safe and enjoyable beach experiences for everyone. Wave predictions are essential for activities like surfing, shipping, and managing coastlines. Wave forecasting involves predicting future wave conditions using models that rely on current observations and historical data. These models assess various factors, including wind speed, wind direction, and atmospheric pressure, to provide accurate forecasts of wave height, frequency, and direction. By utilizing observational data collected from buoys, satellites, and coastal stations, forecasters can analyze past wave behavior to enhance their predictions. For example, when strong winds blow across the ocean, they generate waves that can travel long distances. By tracking these winds and the resulting wave patterns through observational data collection, forecasters can anticipate how waves will behave as they approach the shore. This information is particularly valuable for surfers seeking the best conditions or sailors needing to navigate safely through changing sea states. Coastal managers also depend on accurate forecasts to protect shorelines from erosion and prepare for potential flooding during storms. Advancements in technology have greatly improved our ability to forecast waves accurately over the years. With the development of computer modeling and satellite imagery techniques, forecasters can now simulate ocean conditions with impressive precision. These models utilize real-time data to provide updates on wave conditions every hour or even more frequently. This allows users to access timely information that aids in making informed decisions about their activities on or near the water.